Hi, I'm Tiffany, cut. Hi, I'm Tiffany McCall and welcome to Sugar X. Today we're gonna be making hand-decorated sugar cookies. So I'm gonna go for the butter first. I always do unsalted butter because I like to add salt, so I like to be able to be in control of how much salt is in the dough. So I'm just gonna put this inside and then I'm gonna go for the sugar. And then we're gonna put this in the mixer and we're gonna cream it until it's light and fluffy. You get a good workout doing this too. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flood these. So I'm gonna outline them first, and then I'm gonna go back and flood them.